Hello students, welcome to the R Square. So today we will discuss about the topic standard deviation, which is the most important topic of statistics. So before proceeding to the topic standard deviation, we need to know about ourselves. So we are providing plus 2 and plus 3 as courses. All the courses are provided through online and offline. If you want to connect with us for plus 2 or plus 3 as subjects, then you can contact us. तमें माने जदि प्लस 2 एवं प्लस 3 रो जे कोनसी आर्ट्स रो सब्जेक्ट पई ऑनलाइन किबा ऑफलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म में हम सह कनेक्ट हवा पई चाहछ देन यू कैन कॉल अस and my name is Shyam sir. My name is Shyam sir and my number is 9090768267. So students, recently we have started our plus 2 second year courses. From 1st of April, from today. So for joining our plus 2 second year batch, you can call us. But a new fresh batch amara abhi start heichi online day plus offline day. Joining kariba pai tame am sahita katha he par amasku call kari par. So you can call us on my number 9090768267. 9090768267, and that is my name, Shyam sir. So today we will discuss about the topic standard deviation. And standard deviation can be calculated by 3 methods. That is direct method. Second one is shortcut method, and the third one is step deviation method. So direct method and shortcut method both are very easy. That is why it is not demanded by the student. So our demanding thing is step deviation method. बहुत सारा पिला स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड को जानिबा पई बहुत सारा डिफिकल्टीज होची. So that is why today we will discuss about the step deviation method for calculating the standard deviation. So the formula of the standard deviation in case of the individual series is summation d dash square by n minus summation d dash by n whole square aggregate root over multiplied with c. So that is the formula, and the sign of the standard deviation is there. That is the sign of the standard deviation, and it can be calculated by the following formula. In case of the discrete and continuous series, only f is multiplied. F means only frequency is multiplied with the term, which means it can be summation f d dash square by n minus summation f d dash by n whole square root over multiplied with c. So basically we have to solve a problem. For the better clarification of the standard deviation subject, we have to solve a particular problem. And the problem can be x, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. In case of the individual series, n is equal to number of items. In all the things, wherever it mean, median, mode and whatever it is, n is equal to number of items in case of the individual series. So first thing we have to find out the value of the D. And how can it be calculated? It can be calculated by deducting the value of A from X. So D can be calculated by deducting the value of A from X. So what is A? A is equal to assumed mean. A is equal to assumed mean. So what is assumed mean? We have to assume a mean from the class. From the class we have to assume a mean. A class भितरु गोटे mean को मते कोन मैनेज करिला को पड़िबो. ते mean को मते assume करिला को पड़िबो. Suppose the assumed mean is 30. So all the items are considered as class or X. So we have to deduct the value of 30 from all the classes. So 10 minus 30, that is minus 20. 20 minus 30, that is minus 10. 30 minus 30, that is 0. 40 minus 30, that is 10. 50 minus 30, that is 20. So that is the portion of the D. So that is the portion of the D. So we have to find out the D dash. D dash. And D dash can be calculated by dividing the C with the D. So D dash is equal to D by C. So what is C? C is a common factor which can divide all the items of the D. So what is C? C is a item which can divide all the items of the D. So C can be 10. We can assume that C is equal to 10. It will be better for dividing all the items of the D. So minus 20 divided by 10, that is minus 2. Minus 10 by 10, that is minus 1. 0 by 10, as we know, that is 0. 10 by 10, that is 1. 20 by 10, that is 2. So D dash is equal to D by C. हमको एमती गोटे आइटम चूज करबा को पड़िबो जहा D को D रा सब नंबर को डिवाइड करबा रखिबो. So that is why I have choose 10. 10 द्वारा D रा सब आइटम डिवाइड हे करिबो. 20 10 10 20 all the items are divisible through the 10. So that is why I have choose 10. Then we have to find out the D dash square. D dash square means we have to multiply the value of the D dash with the value of the D dash. So minus 2 into 2, that is 4, because minus minus plus. Minus 1 into 1, that is 1. 0 into 0, that is 0. 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 into 2, that is 4. Then we have to find out the summation D dash square. That is the sum of the D dash square. That is 415 and 415. So summation D dash square is equal to 10. Then that is summation D dash. We have to calculate the sum of the D dash. We have to find out the sum of the D dash. So in the positive side there is 3. That is 3. And in the negative side that is also 3. So summation D dash is equal to 0. In the positive side 213. In the negative side there is also 213. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So according to the formula is summation D dash square by n minus summation D dash by n whole square aggregate root over multiplied with 6. That is the formula. Then we just have to put the value of the following thing in the equation and nothing else. So the value of the summation D dash square is 10. So 10. The value of n is equal to 5. So divided by 5 minus summation D dash value is 0. So we have to put 0 here. And the value of n is equal to 5. So we have to put 5 here. Then the root over multiplied with c. The value of the c already we have assumed that 10, c is 10. So value of the c is 10. Then 10 divided by 5, that is 2, which means the root over of 2 multiplied with 10. Then the root over of 2 is equal to 1.42 multiplied with 10, which means the 14.2 is the answer. 14.2 is the answer. So it is very easy to calculate. So we can calculate it by our own way. So for any kind of clarification, for any kind of questions relating to any art subject, you can comment us. Then definitely we will try our best to provide all your subjects in the online platform. So आम सहित जब कनेक्ट होगा चाहूच, आम सहित जोड़ी होगा चाहूच, देन तुम आमको कॉल कर। बहुत सारा पिला आम सहित जॉइन कर द आर्ट स्क्वायर केवल यूट्यूब एवं ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म जो ही बहुत फेमस हो गई। सो गाइज थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर लव एंड सपोर्ट टुवर्ड्स अस। भगवान तुमको बहुत बढ़िया रिजल्ट दिंतु एंड थैंक यू सो मच। फिर से जय जगन्नाथ।